How to turn off your YouTube notifications. So there's two ways to do this. Very simple, very straightforward. Go ahead to your YouTube and go to the use section at the bottom right hand corner, and then go to the gear icon at the top right corner. So you'll have a notifications section here. So go ahead and click that. And from here, you can turn off a lot of things here. You can really specify and make it very specific to what you want to see and don't want to see. But if you're someone that just wants them completely turned off and you don't want to go through and toggle all these off, what we can do is just come out of here, go to your regular phone settings, scroll down to the very bottom where it says apps, and let's just make this easy and go ahead and type in YouTube and go to your notifications section here. So if you want all of your notifications just turned off completely, it's very easy, and this is a much quicker way to do it. It's just to come here and go ahead and toggle off allow notifications. So that's going to stop your phone from allowing any YouTube notifications coming through, and that's it. It's very straightforward. Keep it simple.